Can I put my TV above my fireplace?
This is a great question, and I have a great solution for it. Clients ask me this so much. Fireplaces can become really hot in the front, and the reason for that is air is venting from the top of the unit. I'm here at Valor Gas Fireplaces, and they have come up with a brilliant system. It's called Heat Shift. And what that does is, behind the scenes, it's actually redirecting that heat source at the top through a wall vent. I love this. Finally, the fireplace is cool to touch. We can hang a flat screen TV without any worry of heat damage, or have a piece of precious art. Great solution. The other thing about the efficiency of Heat Shift is it's actually redirecting the warm air into the space without fans or electricity. Overall, a fabulous system.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also connect with us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.